Safari 4x4, Australian-built products that undergo endless R&D on Aussie soil, and they're built for our unique Australian conditions and environment. But they are never released to market until they're proven and proven again. And you're an off-roader, you're already smart. You know reliability really matters. So in their own words, not mine, let's hear from those that made the Safari choice.
We travel to places where you need reliability.
Reliability is a massive thing for our customers. Most of them are building this to travel around Australia.
You get that kind of confidence, if you like, that you're putting a product on there that people will stand behind.
Not releasing products too soon to the market, making sure the things they do release are going to work, do the job, what they're meant to be doing properly.
They want to make their product excellent and serve their customers the best they can.
The testing they do, all that research they do before they release those products, because they want to make sure it's right.
That reliability to me is the go-to.
And the protection that they put into those products, and even the waterproofness of their products as well.
I've never been back to them with, oh, this is not working, this is broken, this is not doing what it said on the box.
We've used it, we've experienced it, it's in our own vehicles, we trust it.
Great products, honestly. You know, of all the four-wheel drives I've had over the years, never had any issues with Safari products.